good there, isn't
Yep. Hey everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, we're underneath Bruce's 68 Chevelle. We're putting electric exhaust dumps on today. All right, Bruce, you ready?
Yeah.
Attack this pucker.
it? Hit it.
Attack. Okay. Now we got to get this thing up a bit.
Up?
Yeah.
Is that car coming minutes?
We got to rotate the pipe. It's a little bit off. It's got to go up. Push it back.
How much more?
Push it in. Get a gap. It's all right.
That didn't hold.
That's okay. Put it back on again where you want it. The pipe wasn't exactly lined up here.
Okay, you tell me where the pipe's got to be.
Yeah. I'm going to tack it over here.
Is it ready?
It is.
Okay, go.
Watch your fingers.
Yep.
Okay, now we're good.
Okay, hit this one again, and then I can take the bolts off.
Okay.
Got her?
Yep. You can take the bolts back out. That works out good. Okay, so we're just going to take the electronics off. Now we got the flange jacked in place, and I'll weld this flange on. Big 3-inch pipe under here. 2.5 for the cutouts. You got her? Go for it. All right, I'm gonna weld this bugger. A couple more tacks first. Okay.
Sweat. Yeah, but it's. You're getting beat.
Oh no, it is.
You gotta stay there, buddy. I'm just wondering if you might have to have somebody come look at it.
Well, I'll get it.
Probably just needs to be cleaned, I think.
Yeah, you can see that.
Even if you could get your leaf blower in there.
Yeah, no, I'll go with
Because
yours.
that's electronic shit.
No, it's fair stuff. It's just, you feel it. Those usually go on. But then you go upstairs and it's sweat. No, we have to go up. Go down to 9 degrees. We're at 13 now.
Oh, is it?
So. Oh, yeah, it's heating up.
It's warm. See, this place is all.
Yeah. How's that all working?
Good.
I'll get the other one together now.
Yeah. Let me tell you about the birds and the bees
And the bush hogs in the trees.
hard to see.
Right.
Just talking to myself.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Now I gotta get on the top part. I'm gonna have to lower the car down.
You gotta go down more?
Yeah, so I can see the top of the pipe.
Okay.
Okay, hang on.